My name is Kucharcyk and I'm a maintenance technician. I've been at Freefoam for 17 years. I started back in 2006 and there were only 6 Leiden. We have 80 now, so we've grown up a lot at the time. I was a qualified electrician in Poland, so I soon started helping out with maintenance issues. Freefoam used local companies to do the maintenance support at the time, but it was clear that we need some permanently on this team. So I was asked to do the job. Freefoam have very helpful. They organized and pay for me to convert my Polish qualification to the English. I am now part of much larger team with maintenance manager and 3 others engineers. We also have apprentice engineer, so it's good to see new young people coming to the business. I have a very roles because of my experience. I do different types of repair and maintenance of the extrusion lines in the mixing plant and around the site. It is important that we keep up the date with all the new technology. I like learning new things, so enjoy this part of my job. I have stayed at Freefoam because it has grown and changed so much over the years. It is also a stable company, which is important for me and my family. The shift patterns are good and they are very flexible if I need change days.